time coming where we got to the point where we can fire this little beauty up and see if the thing works. Put the microphone plug on. I've used the previous one. I've got my mic tester here, so it goes into the Maxon Midland one, like so. Hang on. So we'll put that on there. As you can see, we've got TX. Now what I'm going to have to do, because obviously I can't speak into this mic and you see both bits, so let me just readjust you. Hang on.
Hello CQ, 26 Division calling and standing by.
Right, let's have a look at this and see how this goes.
Hello CQ, 26 Division calling and standing by.
Working a treat. So right, our work here is done. Let's have a look and see what we created.